Alright, welcome to the next session in this series. In this session, we start with question number 30. In the previous session, we ended on question number 29. Okay, cool. Now, question 30 says, express as a single fraction this. Okay, so we just have to simplify. Alright, cool. Let's write them down. X over x minus 2 minus x plus 1 x plus 3. Cool. What do? We find the LCM. The LCM is just a multiplication of the two denominators. Okay, x plus 3. Okay, so now what do? This would go here. How many times? X plus 3. So this x plus 3 will multiply this x. Similarly, this would go here and cancel, and this x minus 2 multiply x plus 1. Okay, cool. So we have, let's extend this. We have x multiplying x plus 3, then minus x plus 1 multiplying x minus 2. Okay, cool. Now we just need to expand and simplify. Okay, so this will multiply and then this will also multiply. So now when we are multiplying this by this, you know how to do it, right? This multiplies the x and then also multiply the 2, and this will multiply this and this multiplies this. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. X will multiply x and then also multiply this. Okay, and then 1 will multiply x and also multiply 2. Okay, so let's do that. So we have x squared plus 3x minus, let's open a big bracket so we have that down. Okay, so we have x squared minus 2x plus x, okay, plus x minus 2. Let's close the bracket. All over, we still have our denominators right there, right? X minus 2, x plus 3. Okay, so now this expression, we just need to expand this bracket and then simplify. Okay, so let's do that on the right hand side. We have x squared plus 3x. Now be careful of this negative, because this negative will affect everything when you expand. Okay, cool. So this will give us what? Negative x squared minus x squared. Then negative give us what? Positive. Okay, so plus 2x squared, plus 2x, sorry, plus 2x. Similarly, this will affect this, so it becomes what? Negative. Okay, cool. It becomes negative x, and then negative give us what? Positive, so plus 2. Okay, cool. All over, our denominators are still the same. Okay, x plus 3. So now on top here, we just need to group like terms and then what? Solve our question. So let's group x squared minus x squared. Okay, then we have plus 3x plus 2x minus x, then we have plus 2. Okay, all over our denominator x minus 2, x plus 3. Okay, so now we group like terms. Okay, so we can simplify there. Okay, this will cancel out. X minus 2 minus x minus 2 is 0. You have 3x plus 5x is what? Sorry, 3x plus 2x is 5x minus x is 4x. Okay, so we have 4x, then plus 2, this 2 I mean, all over our denominator x minus 2, x plus 3. So this is our answer. Do we have it in the expression? 4x plus 2 all over x minus 2x plus 3 is b. Okay, b. All right, let's move on to the next question. The next question says, by how much does this expression exceed this? That means we need to subtract this from this and then we find out the remainder. Okay, so what it means is a minus 2b minus c, this expression minus this expression. Okay, minus 2b minus a minus c. Okay, so let's expand this and then we can subtract. Okay, so we have a minus 2b minus c. Be careful of this minus because it will affect everything. Okay, so we have minus 2b plus a plus c. This becomes plus because negative, negative, positive, and also this becomes plus because negative, negative is what? Positive. Okay, so now we have three variables a, b, and c. So let's group like terms. Let's group like terms. So we have a plus a, then minus 2b minus 2b. Okay, then we have plus let's go back, minus c plus c. Okay, so now we can simplify. So we have 2a minus 4b. This is our answer, which is c. Okay, cool. Let's move on to the next set of questions. This question says factorize 4a squared minus, question number 32 I mean, factorize 4a squared minus 60a plus 225. Okay, now as usual multiply the coefficient of the square with the variable, the constant I mean. Okay, the constant. Okay, so let's write it down. We have 4a squared minus 60a plus 225. So we multiply this by this. What do we have? 900. Now what are two factors? So that when we multiply them you get 900, and when we add them we get the coefficient of a, which is negative 60. Very simple. We can say those numbers are negative 30 and negative 30. Okay, so let's make that. So we have 4a squared minus 30a minus 30a plus 225. How do we get this 30a minus 30a? It's the same as this, right? Negative 30 minus 30 is what? Negative 60. We got this from these factors. Okay, cool. Now we can group. But when you are grouping on this side, on the right hand side, you have to be careful, because if once you put a bracket here, this negative will affect everything in the bracket. So you have to work around that. If everything is going to be affected by this negative, then you have to also change this. Okay, because if I put a bracket here and I put a bracket here and I expand back, I won't get this. It will now become what? Let's do that and you see it. If I put a bracket here, now if I expand back, what will I get? Minus 30a. Then this negative will affect this and it becomes what? Negative 225. Okay, so it's not the same thing. Have you seen? It's not the same thing. So in order to be able to get this same thing back, we need to change this sign to what? Negative. Okay, we need to change that sign to negative. So let's change it to negative. Okay, cool. Now we can factor out. Here on the left hand side, we can factor out 2a. Then we'll be left with a minus 15. Okay. Then on the right hand side, we can factor. What can we factor out? If we factor 15 out, Actually, let's factor 30. Let's factor. What can we factor out? Oh, actually, there's a mistake here. This place is supposed to be 2a. Okay? This place is supposed to be 2a. Because we factor 2 out. This side, is supposed to be 2a. Okay? It's supposed to be 2a. Because if you factor 2 out, 2a out, you're supposed to leave it 2a. Okay? Sorry for that. So here we can factor 15 out. Okay? Let's factor 15 out. Then we'll be left with what's 2a minus 15 in the bracket. Okay, cool. So now when you look at this one expression and this other expression, what is common between them? 2a is common, 2a minus 15, and then 2a minus 15 is common. Okay, so we can factor that out. Okay, 2a minus 15 out. Then finally you have 2a minus 15. Okay, cool. Now, okay. Now, this looks like something. This is the same as this. Okay, how do we get this in the first place? Because a factor 2a minus 15 out from here, you get what? 2a, which is here. And then on this side, a factor 2a minus 15 out, you left with what? 15, so minus 15. So that's how we go to this side. Okay, so 2a minus 15 multiplying 2a minus 15. That means the same thing. So we can rewrite this as what? A square. So we have 2a minus 15 2 times. Okay, this is the same as this. Okay, cool. So that is our answer, which is a. Okay, cool. Let's move on to question number 33. Question number 33 says simplify this expression. Okay, so let's write it down. We have 6ab minus 3a squared all over 21a squared minus 9ab. ab squared, sorry. So now what can we do? Okay, let's try to break it down. Let's break it down. On top here, what can we factor out? We can factor something out. Okay, a is common here, a is common here, and also for the numbers, 3 can go into 6 how many times? Twice. So we can factor out what? 3a. So we have 3a, and then we would have what? 2b minus a. Okay, cool. And then on the bottom, we can also factor, we have a squared, a here, a is common here, and a is common here. And also we can factor out 3 because 3 is a common factor. 3 can go into 9 and go into 21. Okay, so let's factor 3a out. So we have what? 7a minus 3b squared. Okay, so this 3a will cancel this 3a, and then our final answer will be 2b minus a all over 7a minus 3b squared. Do we have that? Yes, we do. Which is a. Okay, it is a. I think we are making a mistake. From the beginning, this was supposed to be plus. So this was supposed to be plus. So this is also plus. And here will become what? A plus also. Sorry about that. So this is a plus. Okay? Cool. It doesn't affect it. Okay? So we just need to change the sign. So this is our answer. 2b plus a all over 7a minus 3b. Okay? Cool. Do we have it? 2b plus a over 7a minus 3b squared. Yes, it's C. Okay, cool. Thank you so much for watching this series, this session. In the next session, move on to question number 34. Thank you so much. See you again next time. Bye.